History tells us ancient humans were primitive. But what if that is the biggest lie ever told? Because across the world, there are machines, structures, and technologies that should not exist. And yet they do. Stone blocks weighing hundreds of tons, cut with precision modern tools, still struggle to match. Ancient sites aligned perfectly with the stars. Mechanical devices discovered centuries before the science to build them supposedly existed. So here is the real question. Were ancient humans more advanced than we are today? And if they were, who erased their technology? Let's begin with the evidence history of voids. In ancient Greece, a ship sank in the Mediterranean Sea. Inside it, divers found a strange object, a corroded mass of bronze. When scientists examined it, they froze. Inside were precision-cut gears, perfectly interlocked. This was no decoration. It was a machine. Today we call it the antikythera mechanism, an ancient device capable of predicting eclipses and tracking planets. According to official history, machines like this should not exist for another 1,500 years. So where did this knowledge come from? Now look at ancient Egypt. The Great Pyramid was not just a tomb. Its internal chambers, perfect alignment, and impossible precision suggest something else entirely. Some engineers believe it functioned as a machine interacting with Earth's natural energy. No soot, no tool marks matching copper tools. No explanation that truly works. Across South America at Pumapunku, stone blocks are carved with machine-level precision. Perfect right angles, identical measurements, interlocking designs that survive earthquakes. Ancient texts speak of great floods, global disasters, and sudden collapses. What if advanced technology existed before these events? In ancient India, texts describe flying machines called vimanas, metallic vehicles with engines and weapons. In Mesopotamia, the Sumerians spoke of the Anunnaki, beings who brought knowledge from the heavens. We're told these are myths. Yet these civilizations also had advanced astronomy, mathematics, and engineering far ahead of their time. Throughout history, civilizations rise and fall. Suddenly, not slowly, suddenly. Floods that swallowed cities, fires that burned the earth, skies raining fire and stone, the ground shaking violently. What if ancient technology wasn't powered by fire, or fuel, or electricity as we know it? What if it was powered by the earth itself? Because across the ancient world, monuments weren't built randomly. They were placed with purpose. On fault lines, on magnetic nodes, on places where Earth's energy is strongest. The Great Pyramid is the clearest example. Its limestone casing once covered the entire structure, limestone that acts as an electrical insulator. Inside, granite chambers rich in quartz, a material known for producing energy under pressure. This combination is not accidental. Modern engineers admit something disturbing. The pyramid's internal design matches that of a resonance chamber, a structure built to amplify vibration. Stone circles, temples, obelisks, all aligned to celestial cycles, all built with the same impossible precision. Some researchers suggest global knowledge existed before history began, perhaps passed down from survivors of a prior civilization. Every structure hints at mathematical understanding, astronomical awareness, and advanced construction techniques. Techniques far beyond what textbooks teach.
Reset events and cataclysms. Civilizations rise and fall, suddenly. Floods that swallowed cities, fires that burned the earth. Imagine a civilization advanced enough to harness lost technology, swept away in a blink of time. The Sumerians speak of kings who ruled before the flood. Mayan codices describe cycles of destruction and rebirth. Indian epics tell of cities annihilated by weapons of unimaginable power. Archaeology confirms sudden abandonment of cities, artifacts broken or buried deliberately, structures built to survive disasters, but no survivors remained to explain them. Some researchers suggest cosmic events, asteroids, solar flares, sudden shifts in the Earth's axis. Others suggest technology gone wrong. Machines of immense power, misused, causing destruction beyond imagination. If lost ancient technology existed and civilizations collapsed in cycles, then who decides what we remember today? History is not just written, it is curated, edited, and controlled. Powerful institutions have always chosen which knowledge survives and which knowledge disappears. The Library of Alexandria, once the greatest repository of ancient science, was burned multiple times. Scrolls containing engineering secrets, astronomy, mathematics, and possibly advanced technology vanished forever. Even today, evidence of ancient achievements is often ignored or ridiculed. Mainstream textbooks paint complex civilizations as primitive. Advanced machines are called myths. Impossible structures are labeled coincidence. Look at the world today. Machines that think. Weapons that can erase cities in seconds. Technology advancing faster than ethics can keep up. History has a pattern. Civilizations rise, reach technological heights, and fall, often due to power misused. Ancient builders harnessed energy from the earth. They created machines beyond imagination, and some destroyed themselves in the process. Now we build atomic bombs, artificial intelligence, and global networks. Are we any different from those who came before? Ancient civilizations rose to heights we can barely imagine. They built machines, harnessed energy, and understood secrets of the earth and sky. And yet, despite all their brilliance, they fell. Because knowledge without wisdom is dangerous. Power without restraint is destructive. The ruins of the past whisper a message: rise with caution, learn from what was lost, respect knowledge, and wield it wisely. If we fail to heed these warnings, our own world could be the next chapter in the cycle. Civilizations collapse not from ignorance alone, but from arrogance and misusing power. Modern humans have the same forces at our fingertips: energy, weapons, communication, knowledge. But unlike the ancients, we can destroy not just ourselves, but the planet. The question is no longer, did ancient technology exist? The real question is, what else are they hiding from us? Will we uncover the truth before it's too late? Or will we repeat the mistakes of the past? Imagine a future where everything we build, everything we create, is erased, not by nature alone, but by our own hands. And when that day comes, future generations may only see the ruins and ask, how advanced were they, and why did they disappear? The truth is in the fragments, the ruins, the hidden knowledge. It has always been there, waiting for those who dare to look. But the question remains, will we learn from the past, or repeat it again? History is cyclical. The ancients left warnings in plain sight. If we ignore them, we risk the same fate. Rise with caution. Learn from the past. Wield knowledge wisely. The world we know is fragile. Civilizations can collapse in an instant. The choice is ours. Will humanity heed the lessons of lost technology, or will the cycle continue and we too disappear?